Welcome to Learn English. I'm Tom.
And I'm Sarah. Today we explore relationships, the language that binds us.
In this episode of English Unleashed, Tom and Sarah welcome listeners to explore the topic of relationships, a universal aspect of life. They emphasize the importance of vocabulary related to various types of relationships, aiming to equip listeners with the language skills needed for real-life conversation.
The episode explores various types of relationships, including friendships, dating, and family dynamics, as well as the intricacies of conflicts and resolutions. It features a casual conversation between friends Lily and Ben, reflecting real-life English usage. New phrases and expressions from their dialogue will be analyzed, accompanied by clear explanations and personal anecdotes.
At a recent party, one character learned that Leo, who recently ended a relationship, is now getting to know another character, fostering a casual yet growing connection. They discuss past mistakes, emphasizing the importance of personal growth and the support found in friendships, highlighting how meaningful relationships can positively impact lives.
The conversation between Lily and Ben highlights the importance of the phrase, got together, which signifies the start of a romantic relationship. This expression conveys a casual and friendly tone, making it commonly used in everyday conversations, whether discussing friends' relationships or unexpected romance. The narrative illustrates various scenarios of how couples transition from friends to partners, often filled with surprise and excitement.
The phrase seeing each other refers to a casual stage in dating, where two people are more than friends but not officially a couple, indicating they're getting to know each other. This term allows individuals to maintain privacy about their relationship and signifies a low-pressure situation, often used when the relationship feels new and undefined. It's a common way to describe dating without the need for labels like boyfriend or girlfriend.
The phrase to fall out with someone refers to having an argument that damages a relationship, potentially leading to periods of silence or distance. While a falling out can occur over significant issues like betrayal or trust, it can also stem from smaller misunderstandings, often requiring time to resolve. Fortunately, many relationships recover from these conflicts, allowing friendships to be mended.
Repairing relationships can be achieved by making it up to someone, which involves acknowledging mistakes and taking steps to mend the bond. This could be through simple yet thoughtful gestures, like apologizing and treating them to something they enjoy. The key is recognizing the error and demonstrating a willingness to make amends.
Friendships come in various levels, ranging from best friends who are the closest and most trusted companions to good friends who provide enjoyable company without the same level of intimacy. Best friends often have deep, meaningful connections, whereas good friends share warm interactions but may not communicate frequently. Casual acquaintances are on the periphery, recognized in shared environments like work or school, yet lacking personal engagement.
In our interactions, we often admire others for their qualities, such as strength and kindness. To look up to someone signifies respect and viewing them as a role model, illustrated through personal anecdotes like the admiration for a sister or an uncle, who embodies admirable traits and lessons through their actions.
A former teacher inspired the speaker by encouraging her during a challenging time, emphasizing that admiration comes from respect rather than power. Conversely, looking down on someone reflects a negative attitude, often stemming from unfair judgments based on superficial factors like education or employment. The speaker recalls a negative experience at a dinner party when her past job was dismissed, highlighting the rudeness of such judgments.
Feeling judged or looked down upon can be incredibly discouraging, as it reflects more on the judger's character than on the person being judged. Kindness and respect are shown by treating everyone equally, without judgment based on appearances or material possession.
Language bridges hearts. Use it to build. Until next time, keep connections alive.